Right, a very quick video to show you how you can swap the LCD controller, the oblong one like this, from thermostatic mode to manual mode. And what I mean by that is, on thermostatic mode you set a temperature, don't you, on your controller, and ideally your heater would fire up and aim to get the van to that temperature. So at the moment I've got mine's 24, a bit high, take it down 23, 22. In a medium wheelbase van like mine, it's well insulated, trucking around the UK where it's not particularly cold, I find that actually I cannot get it cool enough. I've only got 2 kilowatt as well. Most of them these days are 5 kilowatts. So I use manual mode, and by manual mode what I mean is you set the speed, the fuel pump, to a certain speed, and to do that you press the up arrow again, but this time you press the settings button, and now you see it says 2.7 hertz. That's the speed of the pump, so it will just go at that speed. So if you want to get a bit more heat out, you go up, increase the hertz. If you want to get a little bit of heat down, you press the down arrow, and it's back to the hertz drop. So that's the speed of the pump. So in a way it's a little bit like an electric fire. You turn on so many bars depending on how cold it is, and I've got a feel for how to use that now. And actually I drop mine right the way down to 1.1, 1.2 hertz most of the time once the van's up to temperature. And I think it's just because these cheap controllers, they're not that good enough to keep that the thing down at the low temperature, or the low sort of output, to heat up a highly insulated small tin box like mine. So go through it again, you press the up arrow key, I'm on hertz, press the settings button, it'll go back to temperature. Yep, up arrow key, settings, it goes back to hertz. You can swap between the two. Okay, the thermostat is actually under there and it's not very good on these ones. Ignore those wires, that's just, I've got a switch so I can turn the heater on by text, and that's what I've hacked into that. So there you go, back again one more time, up arrow, I'm on thermostatic mode, up arrow, press it again, oop, didn't do it then, on manual mode, and hope that helps.